gonna be honest, this is one of those moments I don't even really feel like making a beat right now. But we're gonna do it anyway, because that's how you progress in life, bro. That's just how you do it. That is better. Let me get this joint on, like, now I gotta chop this joint up and just line it up a little bit better. Everything don't gotta be perfect. You don't want it to sound like, you still want it to sound like human. You know what I'm saying? Everything don't gotta be super perfect. So like parts like that, you can just bring that forward, and it'll just takes away like all the choppiness of it. There's another way, bro. If you probably can't even see that. My face, if you don't feel like EQing, bro, just use this. Like, you can bring it over as much as you want. Drop that down. That's just a real quick way to EQ. I really like claps. I'm not gonna hold you. Like some Jones be needing a snare. I like claps, bro. Soft clipper, that's my best friend. That should be your best friend too. There you go, you gotta have to snare like that. I'm in the money that is watch all his hands and nothing. I mean, from here, all I gotta do is just go crazy with the drums. Like, you know what I'm saying? I got the loop right, go crazy with the drums, add a couple stops. For the most part, this jump ready for somebody to just come in. Let somebody crank on this jump for real.
Hugo.